Okay, today I'm going to show you how to take a snip. This seems to be the easiest way to copy and paste your writing work for your portfolio. So what you're going to do is find the writing that you would like to use, and then you want to make sure that the whole writing piece is in the window. Here it's a little bit bigger. So to make it fit the whole window, you just minimize here at the bottom. Keep minimizing until you feel like you have a whole picture here. So here we go. I'm actually going to go one more further. And here, if I scroll over, I have this whole picture here in the writing assignment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my snip tool. So I have it here pinned at the bottom, but you might need to search for it. So if you click on your magnifying glass, type in snip at the top, click open. This will pop up. So you want to move it over. If it pops up over your writing, it's not going to work very well. So just kind of move it over. Click the new button. When you see it go gray, you're ready to snip. So you're just going to take a snip of what you want to copy. So here we go. It showed up. I'm going to take a look. Okay, this looks great. I'm going to right click, save as, or you can click copy, whichever one you want. And you're going to save it as your writing assignment or some kind of title that you can easily find. And make sure to save it either on your desktop or in a folder so you can find it. Click save. Okay, and that is how you make a snip. Let me know if you have any questions.